So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rotate an image here in design wizard. So first thing you have to do after you open up the website or the application is to go to the elements tab here on the left hand side of your screen, press on elements. Then once you're here, go to photos, press on more. Now go to the search bar, search up whatever photo you're looking for. So if I wanted to search up a photo of football, for example, I'll search up football right here. To get a library of stock football images right here, I will use this option right here of this football player, just like that. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this into the design. Now, once that is done, if you want to, pretty straightforward, rotate this photo. Just go to the top here. I'll make it a little bit smaller so you can see. If you press on the photo, this top option right here, there's like a little circle at the top. If you press on this circle and hold it, and then turn your mouse either direction, you can now rotate the photo. Whatever amount of degrees that you're looking for. So you can make it go upside down, you can make it go sideways, whatever the case may be, play around with it. It's a pretty straightforward process, but regardless, that is how you guys can rotate an image here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.